Hi, this is my chemistry and captivity video, and today I'm going to be talking about steroids. Before we start, what even are steroids? The term steroids refer to a broad category of molecules that share a similar molecular structure but have many different functions. Steroids play a crucial role in managing various medical conditions, including primary hypogonadism, delayed male puberty, and Kallmann syndrome. However, beyond their therapeutic uses, anabolic steroids, which are synthetic derivatives of testosterone, are frequently misused due to their ability to enhance muscle growth and strength. This kind of use can lead to serious side effects and long-term health risks. For example, a commonly used anabolic steroid among bodybuilders called trenbolone was initially developed to promote androgen and gain muscle mass in cattle. It allowed livestock to grow as much muscle as possible before they were transported to a slaughterhouse. Despite this, it has recently gained popularity, especially by influencers on social media, and has become widely sought after as a performance-enhancing drug that builds muscle fast and cuts fat. Today, we'll be focusing specifically on these types of anabolic steroids, the type commonly used to increase muscle mass and improve athletic performance. Some of the most commonly used recreational anabolic steroids include TRT, trenbolone, T-bol, Winstrol, and Anavar. How were these synthetic steroids developed? The history of anabolic steroids ties back to a major scientific discovery by the American chemist Russell Earl Marker. Marker discovered a method to synthesize hormones from a plant compound called diosgenin, found in Mexican wild yams. Diosgenin is a plant-derived compound that serves as a chemical building block for synthesizing steroid hormones. Although it doesn't act as a hormone in the body, it has a molecular structure similar to cholesterol and other human steroid hormones. This similarity made it an excellent base to create hormones like progesterone and testosterone through chemical transformations. In the 1940s, Russell Earl Marker developed a way to convert diosgenin into progesterone and later testosterone. Marker's process became known as the Marker degradation. This breakthrough provided a much more affordable and scalable source of these hormones rather than existing animal-based methods. His process also transformed the pharmaceutical industry, laying the groundwork for advances like oral contraceptives and hormone replacement therapies. What is testosterone? Testosterone is the primary sex hormone and androgen in males. Testosterone plays a key role in the development of male reproductive tissues, as well as promoting increased muscle mass, bone mass, and the growth of body hair. Testosterone is also produced in females, although at a much lower level, contributing to bone strength, muscle mass, red blood cell production, libido, and mood regulation. How do anabolic steroids work? First, the anabolic steroid enters the bloodstream, often taken by pill, injection, or cream, whereafter the substance travels through the bloodstream and circulates throughout the entire body. Second, the anabolic steroid binds to androgen receptors inside the body cells, which are proteins that interact with male hormones like testosterone. Once the steroid binds, the complex moves to the cell's nucleus and activates specific genes related to muscle growth and secondary male traits like a deepening voice. In the third step, the steroid androgen receptor then tells the cell to build more protein, which helps muscles grow and repair faster, also called protein synthesis. Protein synthesis is the process your cells use to build proteins, which are essential molecules that do everything from building muscle to speeding up chemical reactions and transporting oxygen. Next, the anabolic steroid then blocks or inhibits the effects of cortisol. Cortisol is primarily known as the stress hormone and is produced by the adrenal glands. It plays a crucial role in regulating metabolism, immune function, and the body's response to stress. When the body experiences stress, cortisol is released, and it can break down proteins into amino acids, especially in muscle tissue. Anabolic steroids reduce the catabolic or muscle breaking effects of cortisol, helping athletes or bodybuilders increase muscle mass and recover faster. Despite their effectiveness in building muscle, anabolic steroids come with a wide range of side effects. One side effect in males is called gynecomastia. It is caused due to excess testosterone that is converted into estrogen via an enzyme called aromatase, leading to gynecomastia or development of breast tissue in men. Another side effect of these anabolic steroids is testicular atrophy. This happens because the brain's hypothalamus detects excess testosterone and stops releasing the gonadotropin hormone. This suppresses the pituitary gland's release of luteinizing hormone, which tells the testes to produce testosterone. Without luteinizing hormone, the testes shrink as they no longer need to function as much, leading to testicular atrophy and reduced fertility. In females, anabolic steroid use can lead to virilization, which is the development of male traits. Symptoms may include facial hair growth, permanent deepening of the voice, and acne. Just to recap, anabolic steroids work by entering the bloodstream, binding to androgen receptors, triggering protein synthesis, blocking muscle breakdown via cortisol blockage, and then causing side effects due to hormonal imbalances. Alright, that's the end of the video. I hope you learned more about steroids, and thank you for watching.